To install the Ubuntu, first you need to install a software named VMware Workstation. Here I have a 12th version of that. If you don't know how to install that, check out my video here. Just click on this link. Let's start. Open this up. Now it's already started. So what you want to do is click on this create a new virtual machine and select install a disk image file. Now you have to browse the ISO file that you have downloaded for whatever Ubuntu version you want to install. So I'm going to show you how to download that. Just go ahead and type on Ubuntu 17. Click on this link. Just click on torrent download. Then select alternative download methods like torrent, etc. I would recommend you to use the torrent. It's way faster. Okay, no. You can continue to download. Now the downloading will start. As you can see, it's downloading here. I'm gonna cancel that because I've already downloaded the file. Just I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna browse the ISO. Ubuntu. Here's the ISO file. Let's open it. It's already detected it. Next. Personal line is full name. Type in any name. Username and password. I'm gonna type in my password. Click on next. Just remember, note down this username and password. You may need it in the future. Okay, 64-bit virtual machine. Next. Give this partition. I'm gonna leave this at 20 GB. And split this into multiple files. Go next. Customize hardware. Okay, I'm gonna give this 4 GB of RAM. You can select directly with here or here. I'm gonna go ahead and select network adapter and go to bridge connection. Okay, and close this. Now it's showing 20 GB of hard disk space is given and 4 GB of RAM. Finish. Now if you click on the window here inside this virtual machine, you may not be able to move your mouse across this. So what you have to do is press Ctrl and Alt so that you can move the mouse outside of this virtual machine. Now we're gonna wait for it to install. Now it's started to install it. It may take some time. No, it will take some time. Installing Ubuntu is way easier than installing Kali. Now the system has been booted up. What we need to do is sign in. Just click on the username and type in your password which is saved earlier. Press enter. Now the system will start. As you can see, the system is started. You can change the personalization setting to configure the screen size according to your need. First, we're gonna check the internet is working or not. Let's click on the Mozilla Firefox. As you can see, the internet is working. Let's just try to open YouTube. The web page is opening up. That means the internet is working totally fine. Let's check if the terminal is working. We're gonna open up the app. Go ahead and open menu. Select terminal. Be in the next page. Here is the terminal. Just click on that. Type ls to list all the directories. Okay, the commands are working. So that's how you install Ubuntu in a VMware player, aka VirtualBox. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications.